How to play 2 versus 2 in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open a Play Store, tap on search bar and search for Clash Royale. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, tap on play. Now at the top right corner, tap on the 3 lines. As you can see, Clash Royale have removed the feature to play 2 versus 2. So how can you play 2 versus 2 on Clash Royale? So to play that mode, at the bottom right corner, tap on the sword icon. After crossing level 8, on this page you will find an event for Mayhem. From that event, you will be able to play 2v2 on Clash Royale. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.